I cannot believe this Bitcoin candle right now, and you don't believe it either. But here is what I absolutely do believe. Right now, Bitcoin is bouncing exactly from the trading plan long setup we gave on February 4th in the Casper Crew VIP Discord from the $95,000 level. And we're currently right now at a very, very key level, as can be seen from this chart, as the daily time frame is currently printing and confirming a very rare signal. So we're going to be talking about how I am trading this price action right now. So make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the juiciest and the most accurate technical analysis Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. And I got to give a major shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord, because we gave the long setup in advance from 89.9, as you can see, in the juiciest profits right now. We gave the dang long setup from $91,000 in advance, as you can see, in the juiciest profits right now. We gave the dang long setup from $95,000 on February 4th, as you can see, absolutely a juicy bounce from that level. Myself and other instructors are live streaming multiple times a day, giving you their setups to the exact dollar. Major shout out to the other instructors, Boyan, Thor, Capex, White Phoenix, the best trading community in the world. You can go to jasoncaspertrading.com, click the link to join the best trading community in the world. Also, guys, I got to let you know, if you want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, BLOFIN right now, 10% cash back up to $1,000 future bonus. Everything you deposit, they will give you 10% cash back, plus a chance to win all these juicy prizes. Also, guys, currently trading on WEEX, the lowest fees possible. Both of these are non-KYC exchanges. Also, if you want to KYC, if you can, I'm also trading on MEXC and Bitget. All these links are in the pinned comment and description. So Bitcoin has just confirmed a very bullish signal, and that is a very oversold wave on the daily. Green dot confirmed on yesterday's candle close. And not only is this a bullish, very oversold wave, but this is also giving us what's known as a hidden bullish divergence. A hidden bullish divergence, we're going to ignore the wicks for a second, is where the price is respecting a uptrend with a trend line getting higher at every tap, and yet the momentum waves are making lower lows. This is called a hidden bullish divergence. And when you combine this with a regular bullish divergence on lower time frames, for example, if we go to the 2-hour time frame, as you can see, as the price is getting lower here, we are seeing market Cipher B actually getting higher here. And we can even go to the 4-hour time frame and see that as the price is getting lower, we are indeed seeing the coveted uneven butt cheek pattern with a juicy left butt cheek and a very skinny right butt cheek. In fact, we can just draw on our chart right here this juicy left cheek, this skinny right cheek. That is known colloquially and in the medical literature as a bullish divergence. And when you see a hidden bullish divergence on a high time frame and a regular bullish divergence on a low time frame, well, that's a very bullish signal. And so we're seeing this happen at the low of a range right down here. Now, this is not any arbitrary level. This is a trade setup that was given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord back on January 27th, this $91,000 level. Why so important? Well, it's the value area low of the range. What does that mean? That means for the entirety of this time, from November 11th all the way to our present day, the market has considered anything below $91,000 to be undervalued for Bitcoin. And when we came down here, we saw a very aggressive buyback wick, showing that indeed the market does want to continue to trade Bitcoin within this fair value zone. Now let's zoom in. Remember, we've got the confirmed divergence here, and see what's happening right now. The context of this is that from the low that we made at $89,900, this is the long setup that we gave in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, because it was a very, very key level, all right? Set up right here, given in advance. All our confirmations hit as we took that level, because that's how we trade in the Casper Crew. We make a plan, we give ourselves criteria to get into the trade, and then if our criteria is there, we go ahead and pull the trigger. And then after making that low, we officially changed market structure, right? We had a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. Then we went ahead and made ourselves a higher high. This means the trend is potentially reversing to bullish. Even though we're trading in a sideways range, we're seeing bullish signs. And then we said we need to make a higher low. As long as we make a higher low, there's a potential that this bullish scenario of now continuing with this uptrend can play out. Now, we did, in fact, make this higher low at very key support. And then yesterday, what happened is we got a retracement down to the Fibonacci golden pocket. That's currently where we are bouncing from right now. We take a look here at the chart. This is the Fibonacci golden pocket. This is the level that we were looking at right around the $95,000 level to take this long trade in the Casper Crew if we saw these divergences. Of course, we did see those divergences. And so we're holding this very key support. And that brings us to where we're at right now. $97,350, a very, very key area of support resistance. Why? Well, if the price can hold above this level, that means the market indeed wants to trade Bitcoin at higher prices. Why? Because the majority of the volume, the majority of the buying and selling, the majority of the exchanging hands of Bitcoin happened at this price. And so far, what's happened right now is after this, we saw a very aggressive buyback, and then we're getting basically a retest of this key volume level. This is the make it or break it zone. Does the market indeed want to continue to trade Bitcoin up to $102,000 value area high, where Bitcoin will locally be considered oversold? Well, I think today's daily candle is going to answer that question for us. Because as you can see, yesterday's daily candle just slightly closed above that high volume node, which is very important, with a confirmed hidden bullish divergence and the candle close above the level, looking pretty good. So today, what do we want to see? Well, we want to see this candle right now today close above this level for more upside. In fact, in my opinion, I think it's likely that we see more upside, although nothing is guaranteed in these markets. So obviously, $97,300, very key support resistance flip. Now that we're above, potentially looking for a bounce from that level. Other important levels that I am going to be looking for a bounce right now is obviously going to have to be the Fibonacci golden pocket locally from the low that we made right here at around $95,000 to the current high. And that's going to bring us back down to this area of support, right? We had this area of support right around $95,700, $96,000. If we come for the retest here, this is going to be now the place to look for a wick down today and then a close back above this level. So these are some of the trades I'm personally looking for. First of all, a bounce if we come down just to retest this very, very key level. And secondly, looking for a bounce if we come down to the $95.5 to $96.2 thousand level to basically give us this nice rounded bottom here with the bullish divergences at the low, and then coming back to backtest this historic support that was support for literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 taps before we took that liquidity getting moved to the upside. Now, New York has yet to open. It's 8:30, typically pre-market. We get a little bit of volatility, but this is what we're looking for today on Bitcoin, guys. So make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell, and may God bless you all in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray y'all are super blessed, and I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.